Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening a terminal and confirming your shell so commands behave predictably. Run echo $shell to see bash or zsh because profiles differ. Next, make sure your path includes user binaries using export path equals $home/bin $path and persist it in ~/ bashrc or ~/ zshrc. Once done, verify with which and ls commands to see available executables. This gets you started quickly, avoids permission surprises, and ensures the terminal will run scripts you add. You now perform common tasks. Navigate with cd and list hidden files using lsla so you know where configs live. Edit configs with nano for speed or vim when you need power. Use code wait if you prefer a GUI editor. For running programs, check ps aux and top to find PIDs, then kill PID for misbehaving jobs, or use sudo systemctl to manage services safely. Make sure to use sudo only when necessary, because it changes system state. You finish by moving data and locking down access. Use rsync av for reliable syncs and cpr for simple copies. Rsync preserves timestamps and reduces bandwidth. For remote work, connect with SSH user at host and transfer files with SCP or rsync over SSH. Finally, set correct permissions with chmod and chown. Avoid chmod r777 because that opens everything. If something breaks, key troubleshooting. Check journoctl z and tail n200/var/log/syslog to find error messages and permission denials quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.